Hello, I hope you have a nice day. Well, my name is Chimal Casimiro Eduardo Israel, and together with my teammates González García Esteban, Martínez González Rodolfo, and Saucedo Zavala Jesus will present the topic Artificial Intelligence in Industry 4.0. The table of contents of our presentation is organized as follows. First, we will introduce Industry 4.0 and artificial intelligence. Next, we will address the application of artificial intelligence in Industry 4.0. And next, we will analyze the benefits and challenges of implementing artificial intelligence in this sector. Next, we will address future trends and conclusion. Finally, we will present the references.
So let's start with Industry 4.0. This is also called 14th Industrial Revolution. Basically, it's about using digital technologies like artificial intelligence, the intelligence of things, cloud computing, data analytics to make factories smart. The goal is compute efficient, make better products, and allow company to take decisions in real time. In simple words, it's about transformation traditional factory in smart factories. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence or AI is when computing can do tasks that usually the human intelligence, like the learning, reason or making decision, initial transformation. AI plays a very important role. It helps companies automate process, reduce errors, and ever personalize the customer experience. For example, chatbots in consumer predictive maintenance in factories or personalized recommendation in online shopping.
We continue with the application of artificial intelligence in Industry 4.0. In the industrial field, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role. One of its main use is predictive maintenance. Artificial intelligence analyzes sector data to anticipate failures before they happen, reducing downtime and repair cost. Another application is quality control. With computer vision, artificial intelligence powered system detect the effects in real time, ensuring higher product quality. We also have robotics and automatization. Artificial intelligence driving robots collaborate with humans on production lines, learning and adapting to new tasks, making manufacturing faster and safer. And finally, there is supply chain optimization. Artificial intelligence forecast demand and optimize delivery routes, reducing cost and guarantees on time deliveries. Impact of this application. These applications have a significant impact. First, they improve efficiency and cost reduction by automating processes that save time and resources. Second, they improve grid quality and safety through real-time error detection and safer working environment. And finally, this facilitate flexibility and customization has production can be quickly adapted to customer needs. I could say that artificial intelligence is a key factor in industry 4.0, transforming everything from maintenance to logistics, making companies more efficient and competitive by addressing human needs and, as I already mentioned, also improving the quality of the production to which artificial intelligence in
Less
applies.
time and with fewer errors. The next point is cost reduction. Energy is saved, materials waste is reduced, and it is possible to predict when a machine is going to break down so that it can be fixed in time. The next point is security. Robots can take over dangerous tasks, and computer vision systems can prevent accidents. The next point is personalization. With artificial intelligence, a production line can be quickly adapted to make products tailored to a customer's needs without slowing down the entire manufacturing process. However, implementing all of this isn't that simple. With all these benefits has come a number of significant challenges. Now let's talk about the obstacles companies face when trying to adopt artificial intelligence. The first point, high initial cost. Is it not just about buying the software, you also have to buy sensors, robots, powerful servers, pay for installation, consulting, and train people. The next point is a cybersecurity. If a system is vulnerable, valuable data can be stolen or even an entire factory can be brought to a stand. The next point is impact on work. Automation can put people who perform repetitive tasks out of work. It helps create a skill gap. More technical and skilled workers are needed to handle these new technologies. The next point is data quality and ethics. Artificial intelligence learns from data. If the data we give it is bad or biased, artificial intelligence will make bad decisions or even preparatory discrimination. Okay, guys, with this I conclude my participation. Let's move on to the next topic. Thanks.
Ultimate of sustainability and making industries greener by reducing waste, optimizing energy use, and supporting uh, health EA. Um, to conclude, artificial intelligence is not just total by the core of Industry 5.0. It is transforming the way factors work, making them more efficient and innovate. However, companies must also use is responsibility, consider ethical aspect and its impact on jobs in the future. And the system will become smarter and faster and more sustainable with AI, the central technology that drivers digital transformation. However, is not always explicitly labeled CA, and the underlying uh, actions, predictive adjustment, set management, integration of artificial intelligence and the drivers for within Industry 4.0 frameworks. And these are some of reference um, to find if it's the current and artificial intelligence. It's not only transforming but also shaping the future of Industry 5.0. It gives companies more efficiency, safety, and sustainability, but it must always be used responsibly. Thanks you for your attention.